Riesling wine, one of our favorite sweet white wines for beginners.
Stick around because today we're going to give you a beginner wine guide to Riesling wine.
Coming up. So similar to our other beginner wine guides, if you haven't checked them out yet, check out our playlist up above. We're going to stick with the same categories so you can more easily compare one wine to another wine. So with Riesling, we're going to start out with talking about what it is, then the best regions it comes from. We'll talk about what to look for in a Riesling wine, and if you stick around until the end, we'll go over our favorite recommendations for Riesling wine. So what is Riesling wine?
So Riesling wine originates from the Riesling grape. It's typically a white grape, but it can have a red hue to it. Riesling grows really well in cooler climates, specifically the Rhine region of Germany. However, today it's grown in multiple regions of the world. Riesling can range from sweet to dry and is known for its refreshing taste. But Riesling is also known for its signature scent of gasoline and petroleum.
So just like Olivia said, Riesling wine is known for its gasoline petroleum scent to it. This scent is created when the Riesling grape breaks down and ferments and turns into the Riesling wine. So there's no actual gas or petroleum added to this wine. It just smells like it. So when we think of Riesling, we like to think of Riesling having a refreshing taste and smelling like gasoline. That's an easy way to differentiate Riesling from other types of wine. For example, when you think of Sauvignon Blanc, you think of a grassy scent to it. When you think of Riesling, think of gasoline and refreshing taste.
If you want more info on the Sauvignon Blanc wine, check out our beginner wine guide up above.
So what are the best regions for Riesling wine?
So the number one region for Riesling wine is Germany. Germany is the original birthplace of Riesling. And today, it's the number one producer of Riesling, although it is produced in many other regions around the world. It's most popular from the Rhine region of Germany. So if you see a Riesling from Germany, you know it's a good Riesling to purchase.
Now another great region to look for Riesling wine from is the Alsace region of France. Now the Alsace region actually borders Germany and used to be part of Germany. Now, the mountains and hills within Alsace, France create a cooler climate where a quality Riesling grape can be grown. So, from Alsace, France, you'll typically notice flavors of minerality, stone fruit notes, and floral notes within the Riesling wine.
Now, another region you can purchase Riesling from is Australia, which creates a very unique tasting type of Riesling because of the warmer climates. So here you're going to find some of the most driest Rieslings that are very fruit forward and bright.
Another great region to look for Riesling wine from is Washington State within the United States. So from Washington, you're going to find Rieslings with an even fresher flavor as compared to other Riesling wines. Now Washington State is the largest area where Riesling wine is grown and produced within the United States. And again, it's really known for fresh, floral flavors within its Riesling wine. But wait, if you haven't yet, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload new content.
So what should one look for when buying a Riesling wine?
So when buying a Riesling wine, it's important to know that Riesling has a good aging potential. So in young Rieslings, you're going to find flavors more of citrus, nectarine, tangerine, and grapefruit. Where in old Riesling wines, you're going to find scents typical to honey, pine, and beeswax.
Now with Riesling wine, it's really important to remember that it can come from sweet to dry in flavor. So when you see trocken on a Riesling wine, that's the German word for dry. Or sometimes it's even as simple as just seeing dry on the label of a Riesling wine to know that it has a drier flavor to it. So if you're looking to buy a sweeter Riesling wine, don't buy a Riesling with either trocken or dry on the label. Now, the nice thing about Riesling wines, especially if they're from Germany, is they often have a sweetness gauge on the back of it, which will show you how sweet that wine is going to taste. Now, with sweeter Rieslings, they typically have a lower alcohol percentage. This is because there's more residual sugar within the wine. With drier Rieslings, they're going to have a higher alcohol percentage. That's because more of that sugar that's left over from the grapes is converted into alcohol.
We prefer to drink dry Rieslings because we often get a headache if we drink too much sweet Riesling. Now, in terms of food pairing, Riesling pairs really well with spicy dishes, Asian, Indian food, and even sushi. So if you're looking to pair a spicy food with a wine, look for Riesling. Another
type of food that you can pair Riesling wine with is German food. So because Riesling wine is known to come from Germany, it goes with that classic rule of pairing a wine from a region with a food from a region. So Riesling's known to come from Germany, so it pairs really well with German dishes.
Additionally, Riesling pairs really well with salty or intense flavored cheeses, such as aged Gouda, feta, and blue cheese, and even a sharp cheddar. Alright, let's get into our recommendations. Up first, we have Relax Riesling from Germany. This wine is medium bold, slightly dry, and very acidic, with hints of tree fruit notes, citrus fruit notes, and earthy notes.
And up next for our favorite Riesling is Bex, also from Germany. This Riesling is medium bold, slightly dry, and acidic, with tree fruit notes, citrus fruit notes, and earthy notes. And if you're not totally sure on how we're describing the flavors within these wines, be sure to check out our previous video up above, or where we talk about common beginner wine terms.
So up last, we have Landshut Riesling from Germany also. This wine is medium bold, slightly dry, and acidic, with tree fruit notes, citrus fruit notes, and earthy notes.
So that's it. That's everything a beginner needs to know about Riesling wine.
Did we miss anything? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like what you see. We'll see you in our next video.
Cheers.
Cheers.